In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert shadow to picture in Excel. Adding a subtle shadow can make your images stand out, improve readability, and give your worksheet a more polished, professional look. We'll keep this quick and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you get consistent, great-looking results. First, make sure your picture is already on the worksheet. Click the picture once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles around the edges and corners. When a picture is selected, Excel reveals a special ribbon tab at the top called Picture Format. If you don't see that tab, click the image again to confirm it's selected. On some screens or versions, the tab might simply be labeled Format, but it appears only when an image is active. With the picture selected and the Picture Format tab visible, look for the Picture Styles group on the ribbon. Inside that group, click Picture Effects. If your Excel window is narrow, some commands may be tucked into a button with a small arrow. Expand it to find Picture Effects. This menu is where you'll add the shadow. From the Picture Effects menu, point to Shadow. You'll see a gallery of presets organized by outer, inner, and perspective. Outer shadows add a soft halo around the outside edges. Inner shadows give the illusion of depth inside the image's boundary. And perspective shadows create a more dramatic, grounded look, as if the image is resting on a surface. Hover your mouse over each option to preview it instantly on your picture, then click the one that matches your style. If you're working on a report or dashboard, an outer shadow with low intensity is usually a safe, professional choice. If you want more control after choosing a preset, open Shadow Options from the same menu to fine-tune settings like transparency, size, blur, distance, and angle. A little goes a long way. Subtle blur and moderate transparency typically look cleaner and print better. For consistent design, use the same shadow style and strength across all images in the workbook. If you ever need to remove the effect, return to the Shadow menu and choose No Shadow. That's all there is to it. Select the picture, open Picture Effects on the Picture Format tab, then pick a shadow preset that fits your layout. Apply the same approach to any other images for a cohesive finish. When you're satisfied, remember to save your workbook so your changes stick. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your Excel visuals a simple, polished boost.